Warning. If you have not read the title, this is a grounded video for Caillou the series. If you're a fanboy or fangirl, you have the right to click off now.
That's me.
Find Wesley Viennan in this video, but do not read the comments because it is cheating. Ugh, I am getting bored right now. What should I do? Wait, I know, I will install a program to Caillou's computer. Good thing I got Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2013 Premium package in my hands. Now let's get to Caillou's room and install it. Alright, I am in Caillou's computer. Now let's insert the disk. Alright, the disk has been inserted. Now let's begin the install. Yes, I finally installed Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2013 Premium on Caillou's computer.
Alert! A virus has been found on your computer. Alert! A virus has been found on your computer. Alert! A virus has been found on your computer.
Oh no, what have I done? I better get out of here before Caillou sees me.
Ah, what a beautiful day. I am going to play a game on my computer. Wait, what? I got a blue screen of death due to a virus on my computer? How could it be?
Wait a minute, Boris must be in my room. Installed Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2013 Premium on my computer, and then got a virus on it. Oh, he is so dead. I will get him right now.
Boris. Get over here right now.
Oh no, I am in dead meat.
Dad, how dare you install a virus on my computer? That's it. I will tell my mom about this. Mom, get over here right now. Dad did something bad.
What is it, Caillou? What did your father do this time?
Dad installed Magic's Movie Edit Pro 2013 Premium on my computer, then got a virus on it, and then got a blue screen of death.
Boris, you know that installing a virus can harm the computer, and you just destroyed Caillou's computer. Now thanks to you, we need to buy a new computer for Caillou. That's it, for breaking the rules. You are now hereby grounded for the rest of your natural boring life. Now go upstairs to our room right now.
Laugh.